I'm preparing for the salad. I use beans thread noodle and I put it in the hot water for 3 to 5 minutes. I use herbs such as white pepper, black pepper, salt, and vinegar. Vegetables such as onion, radish, garlic, hot red chili pepper, coriander, scallion, sweet red pepper, and carrots. I cut carrots very thin in long sections and put them in boiling water for 20 seconds. I fried the garlic and onion in a tiny bit of olive oil. Put the vegetables and fried garlic and onion into a pan. Add the herbs and mix all the ingredients very gently and carefully by hand. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you try this recipe at home. Thank you so much again, and subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!